I'm Anthony McAndrew, Business Development Lead for KUKA Systems UK. Our subcontract welding services allows customers to get the benefits of our technology without making capital investment in machines themselves. We work with a range of industries and make various components around electric vehicle usage, aerospace solutions and automotive. By accessing our subcontract services, you get our expertise to support you on new product innovation. You can use us for surge capacity for your existing production lines, and you can explore new R&D opportunities. Our team here at KUKA Systems UK have a wealth of expertise, and they apply that expertise to a wide range of diverse applications. We have a standard we follow to make sure we give parts that are suitable for high critical applications. This goes through initial parameter development, evaluation of the welds according to set global standards, and then production runs of the welds of interest. We ensure success and criticality of all parts we supply to industry. Our subcontract welding services aren't just doing work for customers. We go with the approach that we go through collaboration. And I like to highlight the word collaboration because we like to engage with our customers to maximize the knowledge transfer from the expertise of our staff to their production operations. KUKA Systems UK have been established here for over 50 years, and we are a trusted and resilient supply chain partner for industry, an area that is of increasing importance to many manufacturers.